Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Chrysler 300 radio screen. Many owners experience issues like a frozen display or an unresponsive touchscreen. Sometimes, your Uconnect system might have trouble connecting to Bluetooth or navigation. You might also notice physical damage, such as bubbling or delamination on the screen itself. A completely blank screen or a lack of power to the unit often points to an electrical problem. We'll cover solutions for these common frustrations. Let's start with some quick fixes. First, try a soft reset by simultaneously pressing and holding the volume and tuner knobs for about 10 to 20 seconds until the screen reboots. If that doesn't work, a hard reset can often resolve deeper glitches. Disconnect your car's negative battery terminal for approximately 15 minutes, then reconnect it. Also, locate and inspect your radio's fuses, usually a 20-amp yellow fuse in the trunk, replacing any that are blown. If basic resets don't solve the problem, it's time for deeper diagnostics. You can perform a factory reset through your Uconnect system settings menu, but be aware this will erase all saved preferences. Next, carefully inspect the wiring connections behind the radio unit. Sometimes a loose wire is the culprit. For an accurate touch response, some systems offer a touchscreen calibration feature. Finally, always ensure your Uconnect system is running the latest software updates for optimal performance. For persistent problems like a completely blank screen, ghost touches, or severe delamination, professional help might be necessary. These issues often indicate a failing digitizer or the need for an entire screen replacement. While a do-it-yourself screen replacement can cost around $250 to $300 for parts, sending your unit for professional repair typically ranges from $400 to $750. Dealership repairs can be significantly more expensive, sometimes over $1,000.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.